talk to you today about a new product, CTNEWMAN Engineering Truck Bed Motorcycle Carrier. Holds three motorcycles, 3 street bikes, 3 dirt bikes, whatever. Available in mild steel or stainless steel. This one is stainless steel. It's a U-weld kit. It's all tab and slot design. The majority of the welding is just plug welding slots, so it goes together very easy. You don't need to measure anything, just plug weld it and go. A lot of features that this has. It's got 6 tie-down points to hold 3 bikes. The outer tie-down points are on extendable outriggers so that you can pull them in so they're not in the way 90% of the time, but when you want to have a bike in here, just you have a nice wide grip on the bike. The center chock, it sticks out, which allows the handlebar clearance. So you put 2 bikes on the outside, then load the center bike. It keeps the center bike back far enough so that the handlebars don't interfere with the handlebars of the side bikes. One of the problems I had on earlier versions was with this, it was often in the way when I was using my truck just for normal truck things. If I had a pallet in the back, you know, this would stop it. So I wanted to make it be able to flip up and out of the way. So in order to do that, all you have to do is loosen these 2 nuts here and pull this pin out. And since not everybody's gonna have a wrench in their truck, I built one into the rack. So it's right here. You just twist that tab. Here's the wrench. So you just loosen these 2 nuts, pull this pin out, flip it up and out of the way. There we go. Tighten these back up. Another thing, these side chocks, even the center chock, sometimes you're going to want to move them depending on how wide your bike is, different positioning. So same size wrench will loosen this and allow you to slide the chock around. Now you'll notice that I'm only loosening the nut and not holding the bolt. Well, it's not welded in there like you might think. What it actually is, on every one of the bolt heads, there's a locking plate like this. So you just tighten the nut and it holds the bolt there while you tighten it. One more thing, this chock is set at normal height for a normal size motorcycle, but if you've got like an 80cc bike or even like a 110 or something like that with a 14-inch front wheel, you can actually lower this even further to allow for a smaller bike. The way that it mounts is with these turnbuckles. So there's a turnbuckle that grips on here and a quick link down here that goes to there and a lock nut. So you install the quick link, put the turnbuckle on here, pull it down tight, and it's locked in. There's 2 tabs that stick down into the stake bed holes. You may or may not need to configure them a little bit depending on your model of the truck. And there's also a rubber pad underneath here to protect your truck. So that's the majority of the features. They'll be available soon. Again, available in mild steel, stainless steel, possibly aluminum. We'll let the market dictate that one. But yeah, U-weld kit, there you go.